Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Focus Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll to find the sound and vibration. Now we have to scroll down to localize the ringtones. Let's tap on it, and here, as you can see, we can divide the ringtone between the first and the second SIM card, which means that you can set totally different ones for them. So right now all we have to do is to either tap on those options, which are ringtones themselves, or enter all ringtones to find more options. Here you've got the notification tone, which works basically the same. So you can either, as I said, you can either tap on this specific toggle and you can check whether you like this fresh option or piano option or space whispers. It's totally up to you. If you decide to enter all ringtones, just tap on this option, and as you can see here, we've got the full list of pre-installed options from which we can choose. You've got the music also, which means that if you've got something compatible on your device, I mean something downloaded or recorded, it should appear right here and you will be able to apply it as your ringtone. Sorry, here at the top of the list in the phone ringtone, you've got the option none, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. If you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to decide whether you like it or not. And let's pretend I want to set this one as my ringtone. So make sure that the option like to use is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here. So we've got the name of the ringtone notified, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.